we'll guide you through how to set up Vercel email. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard. You need to select the project you want to configure with email. Click on the project's name to open the project settings. In the settings menu on the left side, you'll see an option labeled Integrations. Click on it. Then, find and select the Email Integration option. You may need to authorize the integration if prompted. This usually involves granting necessary permissions for the email integration to work. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to the Vercel dashboard. Next, you have to configure your email settings. Enter the email address you want to use and verify it. Vercel might send you a verification email, so make sure to check your inbox and confirm the email address. After verifying, go back to the Vercel dashboard. In the email settings, you can set up things like default sender names, reply to addresses, and any other specifics you need for your project. Once you have everything set, don't forget to save your changes. Vercel will take a few moments to apply these settings. Now your Vercel email should be fully set up and ready to use with your project. You can send test emails to ensure everything works correctly. Remember, emails should be sent from your verified address to ensure deliverability. With everything configured, you should be all set to handle email communication through your Vercel project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.